Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Prof YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add networks to your MetaMask wallet. For those of you who don't have a MetaMask wallet, there will be a link in the description of this video to the YouTube tutorial which I shared or I showed you how to create a MetaMask wallet from beginning to the end. So this video is a continuation of that particular video and we'll be showing you how to add the different networks to your MetaMask wallet. So to get started, let's sign into our MetaMask wallet. You click on the MetaMask icon here, it will load, and then you sign in with your password. Okay, then you click on what? Unlock. Okay, maybe I made a mistake. Click on unlock. Okay, so it has opened. So once your MetaMask opens, you will see by default you have the Ethereum mainnet. That's the particular network that will be there, the Ethereum mainnet, and some other test networks. So you can either show the test networks or hide them. So if I click on here, let's say show test networks, and then I go back, you will see that there are other networks, but these are test networks on the Ethereum. They are Ethereum test networks. So let's hide it back. We can close it back. Okay. So by default, you have just the Ethereum mainnet. So what if I want to send cryptocurrency from the Binance Smart Chain or from the Matic network or from the Avalanche network? Yes, you can send it to this address. But how will it show here? Before it appears here, you have to add the corresponding networks. So normally to add a network, you click here and you can select here, add network. You select add network. This is the option if you want to add the network manually. Then you now have to add the network name, the new RPC URL and this. And if you make mistakes, your funds may not show up even if it's in your wallet. So there is an easier way to go about it. You go to a website called chainlist.org. Chainlist.org. There will be a link to chainlist.org under this video. Once you go there, you now click here where it says connect network. Connect network. Are you seeing? Then there'll be a pop-up on your MetaMask. You click on what? Next. You click on what? Next. And you can see it has connected. Now that it has connected, you can now search for the different networks you want to actually add to your MetaMask. So let's say I'm searching for, maybe I'm searching for Matic, Polygon Matic. You can see this is the Polygon Matic mainnet. I'll just click on add to MetaMask. It will show up, it will bring up a pop-up from MetaMask. You can see all those details that would have added manually are here. You just click on approve. Then you can decide to switch to the network to see if it's working fine. You can say switch to network. And then once you click on the MetaMask, you can see you're under the Matic or Polygon mainnet or the Matic network. You can see here is your Ethereum. Are you seeing that? So let's add other networks there. We can just clear this search and then we can decide to add the Binance Smart Chain. Click on add, do the same thing, approve it here, approve. Then if you want to switch to that network, we can switch over and then you see we'll be on the Binance Smart Chain network. Are you seeing? We're on the Binance Smart Chain network. Are you seeing it? So we can also add we can add the Avalanche. Add the Avalanche C chain. You do the same thing. You go down, you approve. You can say here switch network. If you want to switch to the Avalanche, you can see we're under the Avalanche. Then if you want to even return it to Ethereum or any of those, you just select the particular network. It will take you back. Can you see it? So you can now easily add all the networks you want here. Let me see if I want to add Phantom, Optimism. You can just add as much as you want. So let me add Arbitrum, the Arbitrum 1 network. Click on this. Let's say I switch. If I want to switch over to see it, then finally I'll be adding the what? This Arbitrum 1. I'll be adding the what? Optimism network. Click on Optimism. Wait for it to load. And then you click on Approve. If you want to switch over, you switch over. You can see. Then you can see this is how easy it is to what? Add the different networks to your MetaMask without making mistakes. So you can check for all the other networks. If you just know the network name, you can search. Maybe I'm looking for Phantom. Maybe this will be the last one I'll add. You can see the Phantom network here. I click on Add to MetaMask. There will be a pop-up. And then I will do what? Approve. Then I can switch over. Or you can cancel. If I don't want to switch over, I can cancel and still remain on the particular network that I am on. So you see this? You're now on the Phantom Opera network. So that's how easy it is to add different networks to your MetaMask wallet using chainlist.org. So if you enjoyed this video, please do well to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and also turn on the notification bell icon, and stay blessed.